Good evening, family. Happy Thursday to every single one of you guys. Hopefully you guys had a wonderfully blessed, safe day chilling wherever you're at in this magnificent world that we live in. This is your boy Jaime G. That be this guy right here. For those of you guys on YouTube that don't know, I'm that guy that brings the latest and the greatest in the wild west of crypto land. Guys, I bring you developing breaking news in Doge and the overall crypto markets. We're going to look at some breaking news and some the charts briefly, look at some resistance and support. Now, if you're new to the channel, maybe please consider like and subscribe, or don't. Either way, it's all good in the hood. You know what I mean? So, none of this is financial advice. It's just me sharing my thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Now, I might look like your financial advisor, but I'm definitely not him. So, go hire one. Go find one, because I am definitely not him. Let's get it. All right, guys. Bitcoin is sitting at 40,150. We're up 0.82% for the day. Looking pretty good. Not too bad, right? Considering about a week ago, we were sitting at, what, 29,300, I think it was. And now we're all the way at 40K. Where's all the bears at now? They're probably hiding in the closet saying, I'm a bull, I'm a bull. They probably flip-flop, right, guys? Anyways, you know what I mean? We're supposed to go down 14K, lower 20s, mid-20s, you know what I mean? But I truly believe, in my opinion, that the bull run was never over. We're just consolidating, and Bitcoin had to prove itself and push through all the negative FUD, and it did what it does. It did its thing. You know what I'm saying? So thank you, Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin does good, the overall markets do good as well, as you can see. Right? When Bitcoin's green, the overall markets are green as well. He lifts it all up with them. They're like his grandchildren, right? Because he's grandpa. Anyways, deuces, grandpa. Now we got to get into the main superstar of the day, Dogecoin. We're currently sitting at 20 cents, or 0.2055, which is the mid 20 cents. Okay, we're up 0.03% for the day. We had a 24-hour high of 0.2059. Okay, guys, and then our 24-hour low is 0.2012, the lower 20s, right? So pretty much we've been between the lower and 20 cents today in the last 24 hours, right, guys? Our market cap is sitting at $26.89 billion, guys. Pretty much the same as yesterday, but our volume has gone down, guys. We are sitting at $1.16 billion. 2 days ago we were at 4.7 billion. Then yesterday we were at 2 billion. Then today we're at 1 billion. So we've gone down drastically in the past 3 days, right? That could explain also why the price of Doge is been kind of bouncing, you know what I mean, because it's consolidating. But that's a healthy thing, guys. So all right, enough of looking at all of this stuff here. Now let's look at the charts, okay, guys? And I got some white lines here for you, which represent how we've been trading in a tight range. Okay, we're going to briefly talk about those. And this is a daily chart for those of you that don't know, right? I like to look at the daily action and see what's going on a daily. Let me shrink myself up. Okay, guys, so you see I have two white horizontal lines here, okay? That just represents, I just want to show you how we've been trading in a very, very tight range between 18 cents and 20. What do I have at here? Oh, let me get rid of that there. And my line here, I thought I had it there. Right there. Sorry, guys. And that is at a point, yeah, it's at 21 cents. Not 21 cents. It is at 0.2044. My bad, guys. Which is at 20 cents, okay? So basically between 18 and 20 cents for the past about 6 days, 6 to 7 days, we have been trading in this tight range. Now, for those of you that don't know, when you consolidate and trade in a very, very tight range, that means that there's going to be an explosive breakout, whether to the upside or to the downside. But being that we have broke out of a descending triangle since July 21st, and we have broke to the upside, I truly believe we are going to break to the upside majorly. We're going to hit to the moon, baby. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how we've been trading in a very tight range, guys, consolidating in a very, very tight pattern, you know what I mean? Plus or minus about 2 cents, right? So that's a good thing, right, guys? It's healthy, and I truly believe because we are in an uptrend, right? Being that we broke out of the descending triangle. I know I keep repeating it, right? But these are bullish technicals, in my opinion, guys, and this is stuff to be positive and excited about, right? Anyways, all right, so now we're going to look at the red lines, okay, guys? Now, those red lines represent the levels of resistance and support, and there we go. Let me get rid of all these lines here so I don't confuse you. Okay, so now the 200-day moving average is the bottom line, guys. That is our level of support. That is at 19 cents. And the level of resistance is sitting at 24 cents, which is the 50-day moving average. Okay, guys, now that's as far as what I got for technicals, okay? Now let's get into a little bit of fundamentals here, right? Because you need to have a little bit of fundamentals and a little bit of technicals. It's always good to have a little bit of both. Now, it says, looks like a good time to jump back on the Dogecoin roller coaster. All right, now this is Investor Place, guys. They always have good stuff to say about Doge, unlike Motley Fool. They're haters. Now it says anyone halfway interested in investing. Oh, my setup looks like it wants to fall. Shoot, sorry guys, I'm a little crooked here. It says anyone halfway interested in investing in Dogecoin has to have an open mind towards risk. To say that investing in Doge crypto is like riding a roller coaster is probably not adequate. to say the least. You have to have a strong stomach for the ups and downs. That's for investing in anything, period, especially in crypto, right, guys? Now it says the easiest way to do this is to only put a small amount of your overall portfolio in Dogecoin, unless you want to YOLO. No, I'm joking, guys. You have to have the mindset that at some point you will average cost down at lower price to lower your average cost in the cryptocurrency. I agree with that. It says that is what would have happened over the past several months. For example, as of July 26th, Dogecoin was just above 20.48 cents per Doge. It peaked at around May 6th at around 73.76 cents. This means it was down 72.2% from its peak. That is just the space of 2.5 months. What a ride. Now it says, what could make Dogecoin rise? But for now, there is reason to believe that things could turn around. The main point is that Bitcoin and Ethereum are both getting closer to their through points for various reasons. They seem due for recovery sometime by early fall. It could even start in August. Obviously, we're already on an uptrend, guys, right? So things are looking good already, and we have a lot of positive catalysts going for Doge that they don't talk about. Over 1,400 companies that accept its form of payment, over 1,800 ATMs. I mean, the list is, we're going to get into some more good positive catalysts here after this article. It says the implication is that Dogecoin will tend to move in tandem and in fact somewhat leveraged to the movements in these two cryptos, and it's very true. After all, Dogecoin is now the 8th largest cryptocurrency, just after Ripple and USD Coin. In fact, Dogecoin now has a market capitalization of 26.73 billion. That is very substantial market value. Then it goes, okay, I'm not going to get into that there. It says what to do with Doge tokens. To be fair, I should also mention that Jackson Palmer, co-creator of Dogecoin and who left the project in 2015, who's also a hater, made a number of recent comments on cryptos. His post on Twitter were super critical of cryptos, including Dogecoin by definition, but who cares about this guy and what he thinks anyways? Exactly. Anybody who saw how far Dogecoin rose earlier this and how quickly it dropped must know how speculative the crypto really is. Exactly, guys. We're in the beginning stages of like the internet, right? But that's how life-changing wealth is made. Right? You got to be patient. Diamond hands. It is important to take this volatility into account if you're going to put any money into Dogecoin. All right, guys. So now that is, you know what I mean? They're giving some kind of pluses and minuses, which is always good, right? That goes for anything in general that you invest in. You know what I'm saying? So now let's get into, we have another person that is accepting Doge as a form of payment. So now there is easily over 1,400, right, guys, of companies. Right now it says this Louisville cafe is rebranding a Doge bean and will accept payment in Dogecoin. This is huge, guys. You know what I mean? Just because it just seems like week after week we continue to have people accepting Doge as a form of payment, right? And it just keeps showing adoption. You know what I mean? Which is a positive catalyst for Doge, right? So it goes on to say, a Louisville coffee shop is rebranding as Doge Bean, a play on Dogecoin, and will accept payment in the meme cryptocurrency, according to a report. It says what happened. The coffee shop 78 Coffee Company is currently in the midst of rebranding and is only taking online orders now, as per the report. Andrew Lutz, Dogebean co-founder, was quoted as saying that 25% of the coffee shop sales are in cryptocurrency. That is huge. That's good. It says Lutz added he plans to open a cafe where customers can pay for a cup of coffee using Dogecoin. However, he has not set any date for the cafe's reopening. Then it goes on to say why it matters. Dogecoin has gained its popularity this year thanks to, in part, of the unsustained support of Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk. Companies are increasingly accepting Dogecoin, over 1,400, as a form of payment option and launching new products featuring the meme coin. Now, Axe, a top-selling deodorant brand from Univer PLC, recently launched a limited edition of Dogecoin, a deodorant can inspired by Dogecoin. I know, guys, that is so cool. Then it says consumer packaged goods company, Kongangra brand, a candy bar Snickers, have used the cryptocurrency, which is its original in a joke for a marketing purposes. All right, guys. Now, you know what I mean? Now, this is some positive stuff here for Doge. You know what I mean? Anything that speaks highly about Doge or positively about Doge is a good thing, guys. You know what I mean? And that is why I always like to share all this stuff with you guys. You know what I mean? So, now it says why Dogecoin might be ready for a reversal soon. Let's see what they got to say here. This is new. They just popped out. Let's see what Benzinga got to say. All right. Now it says why Dogecoin might be ready for a reversal soon. All right. Now this is according to Benzinga. It says shares are moving down Thursday. The cryptocurrency looks as though it could be trying to turn around after looking like it bounced. It says Dogecoin was down 1.29 at 23 cents at last check. Dogecoin daily chart analyst. Let's see what they have to say. It says the cryptocurrency looks as though it may have found a bounce near support in a sideways channel. Dogecoin trades between the 50-day moving average and above the 20-day moving average. Just like I said, guys, we've been consolidating. Those are our levels of resistance and support. They're saying the same thing I am. So, and then it says the 50-day moving average may act as resistance, while the 20-day average may act as support. Pow! Look at that, guys. Just like I have been saying, Dogecoin is trading in the channel between the support of 15 resistance near the 45. These are levels the crypto has struggled to cross in the past. It says the relatively strength index, RSI, has been moving up lately and now sits at 46. This means there has been more buyers moving into the crypto, and now there are only slightly more sellers than buyers. All right, guys. So they're basically trying to say that there might be a reversal, but in my opinion, I truly think we are priming for a major breakout, like the overall crypto markets. They pretty much reiterated everything on what I said, but they're saying we're hitting a reversal. And I truly believe that we are not hitting a reversal, guys. There was another article that I wanted to get into here. Where was it at here? My bad, guys. I just had it. Oh, well. All right, guys. Oh, here we go. This one right here about AMC. It says how Elon Musk reacted to suggesting that AMC should accept Dogecoin. All right, guys, how much time do we have here? I appreciate you guys who've been with me still, guys. All right, now it says theater chain AMC Entertainment Holding has been a retail favorite among stocks and in the crypto universe. Dogecoin commands a frenzied following. It says a Twitter user said it makes sense for AMC to accept Dogecoin as a payment mode and asked others whether they agree. Right, then it shows this tweet there, right? Then it goes on to say, the tweet garnered 3,500 likes and 272 comments at press time. More importantly, it caught the attention of none other than Tesla CEO Elon Musk. Mr. Dogefather, we love you. It says, and he promptly liked the tweet. It says, Musk has been an ardent backer of the meme crypto, and he has minced no words in expressing his preference for Doge over Bitcoin. But he does hold over 42,000 Bitcoin, guys, which is a good thing as well, right? And it says he has shunned the latter, citing environmental concerns. Bull crap. He has not shunned it, guys. He owns over 42,000. How are you going to shun something when you own 42,000 worth of it? You know what I mean? Get out of here. So that was wrong for him to say that. It says AMC Doge show muted reaction. Both AMC shares and the Doge have not reacted much to the tweet or Musk's response. Dogecoin, which hit all-time high of 73. Okay, it's just talking about what we already know. It's all-time high, so on and so forth. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to share, right, this tweet, right? And obviously, not this tweet. Oh, this article. I was saying that Elon liked the article, and that'd be cool if AMC did it, right? Because meme stocks and meme crypto, that would be kind of cool, right, guys, for them to do that. All right, guys, I just wanted to close out with this article here, right? And this is about crypto in general, including Dogecoin. Okay, now it says crypto population doubled to over 2 million users since January, guys, reports say. So just in the last, 6 months, it has doubled from 100 million to 200 million. It only took 4 months. It only took 4 months for the crypto population to almost double from 106 million in February to 203 million in May, according to newcrypto.com report. It says cryptocurrency adoption has seen an acceleration in growth this year with the global crypto population, a doubling since January, according to a new report. See, guys, this is the beginning station. This is awesome, and this is positive catalyst for the overall markets, including Doge. And Doge is in this article. It says major digital company AssetCrypto.com released its latest study on measuring global cryptocurrencies users on Thursday, discovering that the number of crypto users worldwide has more than doubled from 100 million in January to 221 million in June. The firm pointed out that the crypto adoption has been growing rapidly this year, as it has only took 4 months to nearly double the crypto population from 106 million in February to 203 in May. For comparison, it took 9 months for the number of global crypto users to reach 100 million from 65 million since Crypto.com started tracking crypto adoption levels, right? And then it goes on to say, the results show that Bitcoin and the second most valued cryptocurrency, Ether, have been losing their market shares in terms of the composition of crypto owners, while the numbers of users holding other digital assets has been steadily growing. The study also found that a massive surge in crypto users this year came alongside some notable growth in the popularity of altcoins or cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. According to Crypto.com's findings, the altcoin adoption was likely spurred by the influx of new users interested in altcoins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, amid Elon Musk's criticism of Bitcoin mining over alleged environmental harm. I like how they say that, right, guys? But Elon does like Bitcoin. He obviously owns it, right? He just didn't like the power situation. But anyways, All right, guys, that's what I had. I just want to show you. I think this is bullish and a positive catalyst, right, for crypto and overall Doge, right? Doge is mentioned in here, right? Anyways, this is what I had for you on this Thursday evening. Hopefully you guys found it informative and useful. If you did, please consider like and subscribe to the channel, or don't. Thank you if you stayed with me to the end. You guys stay safe and stay blessed. Your boy Hamaji is out until tomorrow. Peace.